Goes to the dirty rag bucket. Get some more soap on here. Squeeze it out. If it's a real hot day, you don't want to let it sit because it'll dry out. It's a cool day now, so I can get both windows soapy and then come back and squeegee them. Having a little difficulty with the two-headed one, getting at the very bottom of these, making me have to do one side pass, which is okay. I have maybe 30 windows. If I was doing hundreds, then it becomes more effort. There we go. Windows clean. I need a little touch up here. Couple things not so great about this one is you see this gap here. So I'm trying to do the edge of the window. This hits the side of the brick. This should be as long as this on both sides. So I'm not able to get, especially near the bottom. When I'm going high, I can angle it a little bit and have the leading edge. But when I get down low, you can see the difference. Because I can't see the squeegee when I'm right here. I have to lean into it, and that sort of blocks my guide a little bit.